List the PRZs, or possible rational zeros, for the polynomial. We got this crazy looking thing here. The only numbers I really care about, though, are the constant term and the leading coefficient. So I'm going to make a list using those. I need factors of, and I'm just going to say 10 because when I'm making this list, it is a positive or negative list. So the signs don't necessarily matter because positive or negative will take care of it. Factors of 10 over, I should make that blue so we got a color code here. Factors of 2. Factors of 10 over factors of 2. So let's think plus or minus anything that can divide a 10, or numbers that can be multiplied up to a 10. That would be 1, 2, 5, 10. Not too many options, just 4. Factors of 2. There are 2 numbers that will divide a 2. It's a 1 or a 2. Every number that is on the top gets to take a turn as a numerator, with every number that's on the bottom as a denominator. So I have all of my possible fractions that are over 1, like 1 over 1, and then 2 over 1, 5 over 1, 10 over 1. Except over 1 just means it would just be that number. So it's kind of nice. This list will always have the top row as a possible set. So plus or minus 1, 2, 5, 10. Then we also have any possibility that is over 2. So like 1 over 2, 2 over 2, 5 over 2, 10 over 2. We need to write those fractions as well. Some of those could reduce, and we're going to look at those. So I got 1 over 2, 2 over 2, 5 over 2, 10 over 2. All right, so I've got this list full of numbers here. Let's reduce our fractions because it is likely that some of those fractions could already be in our list. So let's see, fractions that can be reduced. I can reduce 2 over 2, and I can reduce 10 over 2. Now let's make sure that they may or may not already be in our list. 2 over 2 is really just a 1. And I already have a 1 in my list, so I don't need 2 over 2. It's already in my list. 10 over 2 is really equal to 5, and 5 is already in my list, so I don't need that one either. So when we write our final list here, let's just exclude those ones that are already in the list. So we're going to say plus or minus 1, 2, 5, 10. I still have 1/2 and 5/2 as possible solutions for this polynomial.